kójúmọ́ tó mọ́ abímọ sílẹ̀ akíntọ́lá abímọ obìnrin Zayyan ẹ̀gbọ́n Zara ìgbádùn ọdún kan ní ọmọdé relé ní kwaya.
Who is the most beautiful girl?
I am the most beautiful girl.
Can you do me a favor, please? Can you count 1 to 5 in your language? In your language, in daddy's language.
1, 2,
In Yoruba. Okan.
Oko,
Mm-hmm.
Bechi,
Mm-hmm.
Meta,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Maro,
Can you count it again? I want you to count it loud. Count it again.
Oko,
Mm-hmm.
Bechi,
Mm-hmm.
Meta,
Mm-hmm.
Neri,
Mm-hmm.
Maro.
Marlon. Good job. Clap your hands together. Clap your hands together.
Take a picture of me and Daddy.
Okay. Kilo Rukwe.
I'm coming inside.
I want you to speak louder, please, baby. Kilo Rukwe.
I'm coming, Zayyan.
Zayyan Kini.
I can talk.
Ọmọ ọdún mélòó ni ẹ́?
Oko, Bechi, Meta, Neri,
Ọmọ ọdún mélòó ni ẹ́?
Neri,
Ọmọ ọdún
Neri.
mẹ́rin.
Oko, Bechi, Meta, and Neri.
Àti mẹ́rin àbí? Good job. I love that. You are a good girl, Zayyan.
Good.
Good girl.
Yes.
Good girl.
Good. Good girl.
Good girl. Cheese.
Monthly, I don't know. But it's not every Wednesday day. It's a schedule for time. You're right.
Yeah, you don't want any more? You want to eat your egg?
You're right. Okay, mom is going. Goodbye.
One more?
Okay. Look how friends is eating. Look, all friends are eating. You have to eat too, okay? Look. Okay, Toby. Thank you.
No water?
You right? There is so much when you go back to class. You need to eat. Baby.
Mommy, where are you?
Mommy is at. Mommy took Zara for doctor's appointment. Yeah, so thank you, Mommy, for taking care of us.
You right?
Mommy is busy. Yeah, eat your food, man. Sit. What do you want? Yeah? Talk to daddy. What do you want? I love you too, baby. You so happy to see me? Are you sure? Wow, that makes me happy.
Daddy.
Yeah? Don't cover my camera. I'm happy to see you too, Zayyan. You know that is your friend, right? And you know that he loves you, right? Yes. Look at everybody.
Everybody's eating.
He's eating. Zayyan, can you finish your food quick? You know you are going back to class, right?
Okay, eat. You don't want me to stop eating.
Ooh. When you go back to class, what are you gonna do? You listen and do what? And study, right? And you're gonna sit in one place, right?
Go home.
And after that, you go home, right? And make sure you listen to your teacher. You wanna eat your cookie?
Okay, let me call Daddy.
Okay. Do you want to finish your egg and eat your cookie? No? You want to eat your cookie?
Thanks for
Are you okay?
You want me to call daddy? Okay, I'm calling daddy. If you don't want me to call daddy, eat the food. If you don't eat the food, I'm calling daddy.
You want water?
I'm calling daddy. I'm calling, look, I'm calling daddy. Now eat the food. Eat the food. You what? Okay. Eat the food. I'm calling daddy. Eat the food. The milk is call daddy.
Is that me your partner?
I'm calling daddy. I'm calling daddy. Talk to daddy. Talk to daddy. Okay. Let's come. Say hi to daddy. Yes, okay. Okay, eat the food. Eat the food. Okay, he's standing back down. Make it fine. Only I will call you and call him man. Okay, eat the food. Hello? No, mommy's supposed
like
to
cooking?
that.
Do you love
Only I
daddy?
will call.
Are you sure? I love you too.
Okay, say hi to daddy. Say hi. That's how they praise
You want to talk to mommy?
Je te rappelle tout à l'heure. Je te rappelle tout à l'heure.
Zayyan say, I want to talk to mommy.
Je te rappelle tout à l'heure. Okay, I turned that off now. If you don't eat, I call that.
I'm trying to call mommy. Yeah, it's okay. Before you go back to class.
Eat and you get one. Do they get to receive water here or they take water from there back?
Well, if most kids they bring like water cups. So like saying if you go out to recess or something, we give them like a certain time to get water. But most of the time it just depends on the teacher. But we always let them get like restroom and water break too throughout the day.
It's okay, Zayyan.
I forgot to bring you water. Come here. You have water in your back, right? There is no water here. I'll give you.
You want to give him some?
Yeah, please. Do you want to share? You want to share?
I said that sharing is caring, right?
Open your mouth. You don't open your mouth. No, you don't open your mouth. It is not your water.
Zayyan, you will be going back to class soon. And when you get back to class, make sure you behave good. Do you understand? If your teacher told me Zayyan is a very good girl, I'm going to buy toy for you.
And big toy.
Big toy, yes. Mommy is not picking up. I don't know why.
You don't want any more money? So open your mouth.
Hello, mommy. Hey, mommy.
What are you doing? Ah!
Yes, I love you, mommy. Yeah, give mommy big love. You have to jump. Oh, mommy, let me keep clear. Yeah, give mommy big love, Zayyan. Yes, I love you, mommy. You are the best, mommy. Oh, you're welcome.
No, you have to
You love mommy, right?
Yes.
Zayyan says she loves you, mommy. Mommy. Zayyan says she loves you. Yeah. Sọ fún mami kò nífẹ̀ẹ́.
I say I love you.
Sọ fún daddy. Sọ fún kò nífẹ̀ẹ́. Good job. Quiet babes. Are you happy? Come on, I'm happy to see you, Daddy. Are you full? Woo! My baby food is yummy, not tummy. I know, right? You want to put it in your lunch bag? Oh, good dear. I love you so much, man.
The water is cold.
You don't want to finish your intro?
Baby, you have to finish it.
You're so happy to see mommy? Yeah, Zayyan, I'm in bed for her now. Yeah, do it for him. Give him love. Oh, I love that.
Finish your food.
You're so happy to see mommy, right? Yeah, mommy's here.
In the quiet rain.
In the choir break. Good job, Zayyan. I love you. Yeah. Are you ready to go? Come here. You just want to leave your daddy like that? Hmm? Daddy.
Like there is a picture or something.
Then you want to take a picture with daddy? Zayyan, you know I love you so much. Hmm?
Come this Evan, this way, come this way. Can I have a seat? Come this way. Naomi,
But you have to eat the food.
I said I have no food.
No, you don't scream.
Give me a kiss. See me later. You want to go back to your class?